Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today we are going to explain about Attahiyat. The meaning of the Arabic word Attahiyat is greetings or compliments or salutations. It is also known as Tashahhud, which means declaration or oath of faith. So let us begin. Attahiyatu lillahi salawatu wattayibatu assalamu alaika ayyuhan nabbiyu warahmatullahi wabaratuhu assalamu alaina wa ibadillahis sauliheen ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Attahiyatu lillahi salawatu wattayibatu assalamu alaika ayyuhan nabbiyu warahmatullahi wabaratuhu assalamu alaina wa ibadillahis sauliheen ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Let us learn this sentence by sentence or word by word. Attahiyatu lillahi salawatu wattayibatu means Attahiyatu, as discussed, it means greetings. Lillahi, to Allah. Salawat, salawat means prayer. And tayyibat means good deeds. Greetings to Allah and prayers and good deeds. Assalamu alaika ayyuhan nabbiyu. Assalamu alaika ayyuhan nabbiyu. Assalamu means peace. Alaika means upon you. Ayyuhan nabbiyu means O Prophet. Peace be upon you, O Prophet. Warahmatullahi wabaratuhu. Wa means and, rahmat means mercy, ullahi of Allah, and barakatuhu means His blessings. Barakatuhu means blessings. Then comes assalamu alaina wa aala. Assalam means peace. Alaina means be upon us, and wa means and, aala means upon. Assalamu alaina wa aala. Peace be upon us and upon ibadillahis sauliheen, servant of Allah. Ibadillahis means servant of Allah. Sauliheen means the righteous. Assalamu alaina wa ala ibadillahis sauliheen. Then comes the declaration of faith. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu means I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. The second part of declaration of faith is wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu means and I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Now let us revise this whole dua once again so that it will be easy for us to understand the meaning and utilize it in our daily salah. Attahiyatu lillahi salawatu wattayibatu assalamu alaika ayyuhan nabbiyu warahmatullahi wabarakatuhu assalamu alaina wa ala ibadillahis sauliheen ashhadu an la ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Greetings to Allah and prayers and good deeds. Peace be upon you, O Prophet, and mercy of Allah and His blessings. Peace be upon us and upon righteous servants of Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is His servant and messenger. During the declaration of faith, one should raise index finger of the right hand until the Attahiyat is completed. Hope you have understood the meaning of Attahiyat. During Salah, Try to remember the meaning of Attahiyat in whichever language you are comfortable with. Please share this video with your friends and family members, and please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Jazakallahu khairan for watching the video, and thanks for your support.